Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at possessive articles in Austrian German. This video is a response to a comment, so thanks a lot for the video idea. If you follow the Austrian German tutorial regularly, you may know my video about the articles in Austrian German. Now we dig a little bit deeper and focus on the possessive articles, so that we are able to say that this laptop is your laptop, or this house is their house. In general, it is safe to say that in Austrian German, this topic is easier to handle than in Standard German. But let's find out more about it. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to know the possessive articles in Austrian German. These words gonna help you to understand fast everyday conversation much easier. Nevertheless, the articles we cover today are mainly used in spoken form. In written form, Standard German is the better choice. One more announcement before we really start. This video focuses on the first case, the so-called nominative. But now let's start with the singular. In English, you just have one possessive article for singular and plural. In Standard German, it's much more difficult, but in Austrian German, it's a bit easier. Therefore, we just focus on Austrian German this time. The possessive article my is may in singular, so it's really similar to the English word may. In plural, we use meine. For example, mein Laptop, meine Laptops, meine. Your is dein in singular and deine in plural. For instance, deine Banane, deine Bananen, deine. His and its are the same in Austrian German. Sein in singular and seine in plural. Sein Haus, seine Häuser, sein, seine. The possessive article her is ihr in singular in Austrian German and ihre in plural. For example, ihr Mantel, ihre Mäntel, meaning her coat, her coats. Ihr, ihre. Let's repeat the possessive articles with the help of a table once more. My is mein in singular, meine plural. Your, dein, deine. His, sein, seine. Her, ihr, ihre. Its, sein, seine. The plural forms are more difficult and may change from dialect to dialect. I will present the Upper Austrian versions. The first plural form is similar to Standard German. Our is unser in singular and unsere in plural. For example, unser Haus, unsere Häuser, unser, unsere. Your, used in plural, means er in singular and ere in plural. For instance, euer Haus, eure Häuser, euer, ere. And finally, their means einer in singular, ernere in plural. For instance, erner Haus, ernere Häuser, erner, ernere. Now we can repeat it one more time with the help of a table. Our, unser, unsere. Your, euer, eure. Their, einer, ernere. After having talked so much about the various possessive articles, we should practice them within some sentences. Ist dies dein Laptop? Ja, this is my laptop. Meaning, is that your laptop? Yes, that's my laptop. Ist dies euer Haus? Na, this is nicht unser Haus. Is that your house? No, that's not our house. Ist dies sein Auto? Na, this is ihr Auto. Is that his car? No, that's her car. Sind dies unsere Plätze? Ja, dies sind unsere Plätze. Are that our seats? Yes, that are our seats. Ist dies deine Familie? Ja, this is my Familie. Is that your family? Yes, that is my family. All in all, I hope I could give you a little insight into the topic possessive articles in Austrian German. For a little overview, I can recommend my Austrian German crash course, in which I try to sum up most important aspects of Austrian German within less than 20 minutes. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.